You're so fishing, living in the boonies. Where are we? I feel like we can see a king of the road from beyond paradise. King of the road! King of the road! Yeah! Yeah, there's food again. Oh, what is it? Live feet? They go sliding. Nope. King of the road! Hurry up, you. Oh, hello. Yeah, you guys. Ready? Sorry, small kind of slow drive over here, but. So maybe you guys open and we close them. You do need a key to open? Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. I'll let you guys go. No. What happened?
Right there, look at that rock. I catch a rock right in the corner.
No. Wow. I can stick my finger in it.
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back for another sick video with your boy Dre. We got Kirby over here. Pick up Brian from Yes So Fishing. And we got Dylan the Hawai'i banger. Not only do we got the lovely Crystal over here. We got Sky's Daily 808. You cannot see him, but if he flex, you can probably see him. Dude, CJ, yes sir. I think we better get out there already. We never drive 100 miles, but just look at the water.
100 miles just to throw you in the water.
Even show you in the water. Oh, you. Oh, there's a puka! Puka! Yes, we must have a female around. Yeah. He doesn't know we're watching. Try, Alexi! So does everybody else. Like Dylan lining up the shot. Pendulum. He has chosen the pendulum effect. A little bit of a smile. Nervous smile. We got Sky's Daily over there. Trying to catch something other than a hoggy. Yes, yeah, you. Ready are you guys? I'm gonna attempt to cast the conventional one more time. I went to the park and I practiced a little bit. Yeah. Ow. I got the counterclockwise now. Sick. I'm gonna dunk. My small pee-pee. I know my small pee-pee. Oh, sorry. That was an accident. I'm sorry.
Literally just came over here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Water.
Fire.
Your powers combine.
Oh yeah. Yeah, curve. Oh, it's not. You're in the rock, guaranteed. That's up it. No. Oh, that's new noise. You see them? They're new noise. Oh. Yeah, you f***ing. I can tell it's a hoggy. It's about a fat hoggy, guaranteed. I can feel the head shake. Woo. Hoggy! Shit! Bruh, you just caught one ballyhoo. That bill is an underbite, but that's the bottom bill.
Oh, that's not the top.
It's not the top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my bait right off. Are you kidding me?
Come on, masturbator.
Stuck. Oh. Nice. I'm breaking it.
Breaking it.
Wait, no, I have something.
He had something, but it's gone now.
Oh, I have it.
Hey.
I don't fall off.
But no more than leg, cause you will go home, that's why.
Oh, dude, it is like very red. Dude, look at this. Wow, this pawpaw is very red. I've never seen one like that. Vibrant. Lenui, I bet.
That's no fight.
Yeah, bro. Full band over here. See, that's what you get. No. Oh, dude.
I'll get the gas back.
I think I might try and plug. I got that 7-incher, but
That point, even that second point was nice.
for the plug. Well, hello. Let's introduce you to the rest of the family. My new one, Pen Battle 2. Graphite with the Pen Battle 2. 6,040-pound braid. Okay, hurry up before this blows up. Oh, I'm getting wet. You mind if I join the cool kid over here on the block? So I think this is called kaku lures. Yeah, let's do it, guys. TBD, I told you guys, bro. It's the hand pole. Told you guys, bro. Slide. Oh, the battle his nose, mouth, whatever it is. Underbite is not in the water. There we go. There we go. Relax, my brother. The night is upon us. It is definitely dark and scary.
Oh, centipede.
What the? Ah, you actually got me on down. Oh, the knife is yours.
No.
Oh, the slap? Roger. All right, kind of dark, so you guys might not be able to see. Super windy. Might not be able to hear. But I got the shrimp, dunk style, 3-way swivel. Just a normal. Let's do it. Yeah. So
Touch it now.
it's my foot. I'm assuming 10 inches. Roger, you're going sliding tonight. Ooh, dude, I hooked it on like the bait holder on my shaft. That was nuts. Somebody going sliding. Let's go! This guy's daily 808. On fire right now. That was big. No!
He came on!
No! Why? Seen that yank, dude. I seen that yank. What did you see? Live bait?
Oh, no.
Oh, you still? Yeah, this guy. He's still on. Bruh. Dude, I heard. Bro, guarantee. Bro, you guys just missed a mental scrap. That was epic. Look at the chicken skin. It's gripping for life, that's for sure. Oh, use the camera to get it up. Yep, there we go. Yeah. Oh, it's about to shed its skin.
It's about to shed its skin.
Dude, it's about to shed.
It's about to shed.
Well, let's see what I can do with this bad boy.
To the glute with you. To the gulag with you.
To the gulag. I think Dylan just got on strike.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Something back.
Break that line.
Oh, look at that.
Hey. Yeah, you call it white tip.
Oh, come back.
Oh shit.
Got a shark.
Baby shark.
Slide this.
He's like sashimi. He's ever had no common vocal.
Shark fin soup, bro.
Ew.
Oh, God, they slide for luas, you know, the baby sharks.
No way.
No, I'm not even kidding you, bro. Oh, you need like big ass like touch.
They just want to cuddle.
Yeah, I think they want to see.
You've ever seen somebody use a bell to get rid of one hook out of a shark?
She bite that. Yeah. There you go. I think. Oh, there you go. That works. Proud Andre, how's that? Yeah. Whoa! He's stepping with the locals. Oh! He's pissed. Yes. Yeah.
Boom. There we go. Yeah. Yes, son. It's bucket alive.
Oh, planning action.
Roger.
Going. Oh!
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Oh. Just, you know, right inside. Right inside. With that. Don't make eye contact though.
Oh!
Fatty! Wow, that's a big boy. That's probably like 10 inches.
Oh, that's a mule right there.
Oh yeah. But I caught that Hawai'i. TBD caught that Wahanui.
Wahanui, the big
What else?
koal.
Oh yeah, but that was at least a pound on that hand pole. Guy got that mental ass fight from that one kid.
Dylan shark.
Oh yeah, that is baby shark. Do. Roger that, guys. That was a nice whistle, bro. You got our attention for sure.
Screaming over here.
We find it as soon as we get back. They see whistling for us again. So CJ says he's gonna wake up early in the morning, like 5 o'clock for the sunrise mish. About to have one crash, try to get that.
Yeah,
get
the
those Z's.
sunrise strike.
It's a one, yeah.
So you gotta start jigging too, bro.
Oh, that's still alive. Give him to a Tony.
Oi, we're going cut.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, we heard you. You was yelling? You were yelling?
Oh, yeah, it was us guys. I was like, oh, you fool. I was on my chair. I'm like, oh, dude. Oh, bro.
What? Still think I'm gonna do the sunrise. Aloha guys, good morning. I think it's 5:30 right now. We got Yesta fishing out there, TBD. Beautiful morning. Jigging in the sunrise. Start off with some shrimp, dunk, normal things, and then switch it up to the plug and maybe some whipping. Woo, smell like steak. All right, it's sunrise. Hopefully the hoggies is still sleeping. It is pretty deep.
strike. Oh, pa'a. Oh, move.
Oh, hell yeah.
Move. Oh, right there, right there. Move.
Oh, fat move. Oh, slide him. Nope. Yeah. Oh, I got a move. This is beautiful. Fatty. Oh, look, right on the lip. Yeah, Morty strike. Yeah. Move. I think you should take him home, bro. Your parents would be stoked.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Bro, this is the best tasting fish off of the reef, bro. To me, better than the uku.
Oh, right on.
Bro, you're gonna like this fish, bro. I'm not even joking. Yeah. Oh, how's it? Well, let's try that again, ladies and gentlemen. See, bro, I knew waking up at sunrise was worth it. So stoked on that move. Better Lamborghini, Pop-Tart. What an awesome way to start the morning with the move. Oh, it's a good day. One more. Let's go. Stop. Bro, that was something. That was definitely something. There we go. There we go. Full hockey. What if I drop him right just straight down here? Oh, hockey. Oh, look. Hawai'i in the morning. Oh. The big buckets is over there. Hawai'i in the morning. I think I might slide them like last night. I can't believe they're still biting at a time like this. Boom, what on? Oh! Uy! 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 That probably might be on hog. I feel the head shake. Like they could be here now. No! No! Piss! Piss!
Oh shit!
Nice, bro, you caught him! Yeah! Uy! Uy! Oh, show. Come on, baby. Oh, omilu. Ah, boy. Guy's daily 808's birthday strike. We got good signs are coming in. Look.
I blessed this pole. This is a brand new pole.
Wait, you just got it yesterday, no? Or 2 days ago, I think it was. Bruh. That's epic. Teamwork.
Grab the gas, Help him. Coming up.
Special delivery. Let's go. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Happy birthday. Yeah.
Somebody just kissed my pole.
Yeah. It was in the water almost. Down trying to.
How long do you think it was in the water?
About not even 10 minutes. Oh. Watch this. Let's go weigh this shit because I have a scale.
Nice, hell yeah, let's do that. Yeah, it's up, Rick and Sky got me birthday strike. Today's his birthday, so at least he got blessed. Package is secured. Yeah, we got the claw. Let's do it. Oi! It's fucking crooked! There we go, Hawai'i, he's out there. I just didn't slide him.
Yes, coming up. Yeah! Oh! Yes!
Slide him on! Yeah! Right back inside. Slimy slime. The Hawai'i.
What the hell happened?
Bro, I bet you can catch something in here. Let's try. Fishing in the puka. Fishing in the puka. Oi, oi, oi. Out of the puka. Yee. Oh, puka. Fishing in the puka. Oi, one more. Ah, shit. Another one. Fishing in the puka. Yeah! Gonna call pause. I know where we're going now. Raja! Put a pot. Uy, uy. Ninui maybe.
Something else.
Ah, fuck!
Bro, that wasn't what I'll give.
Pissed, bro. You hear him grunting at you.
Ah. Oh, Ninui. Yeah, Ninui. Hold him up! Ninui, I think. Oh, bad Ninui.
Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh shit. What? No.
All right, you guys, it's getting a little late. I'm gonna go back to camp, get my stuff all situated, take a little breather. I really like this pad though. What's the name of it?
Sleep and go.
Sleep in Gold. Not sponsored.
Roger gonna sell them to me for $10.
Shit.
Roger. The ladies put on Tempur-Pedic if they didn't do that.
The time has come for a departure. Got a heli.
10-second timer starting right now.
Well, you guys, that was the vlog. That was mental. We drove 500 miles to get here. You caught one shark, I caught one moose, but we caught some positive vibes with the YouTube fam. The biggest YouTuber meetup. That was pretty mental. Roger that, guys. If you like what you see, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post another video. Stay tuned for this next video. It's gonna be pretty sick, so yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roger, guys. Aloha, mahalo. Until next time, shit.